In this quick tutorials, I'm going to show you how you can install multiple fonts at once inside your Mac. Basically, when you download some font family from online, you will get this kind of zip file like this one. And if you want to install all the fonts, let's say here we have 4 fonts, so we have to install one by one, but we can install it at once. So for this, you just need to search for font book. You just go to your applications and search for font book and open this one. So this is the place where all the fonts on your Mac is available on this place. So what you need to do, you just need to open the zip file, unzip that, and then just select all the fonts and just drag and drop inside this one. So what it will do, it will automatically install all the fonts inside here. As you can see, it's already down style 4 style have been imported inside your all fonts. Now you just need to close the application, I mean the application that you want to use, maybe Word or other documents, and now you can use this font inside your any of your application. So this way you can install multiple fonts inside your MacBook at once. I hope you like the video. If you learned something new, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you guys on the next video.